Hey, what's up guys, how are you all? This is Ram and you're watching Infinity Explorer. This is just a normal marker, but what if I say it's a bomb? Yes, it's a bomb in your pocket. By the end of this video, you will know the reason for that. So watch this video till the end. Before that, let me ask you a question. When you have a closer look at your marker, you will find this, recap after use. Why it is written so? Explain your answers in the comments down below. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. So without any delay, let's start the show. For this trick, you will need a bottle and a marker, of course. We need to remove the ink cartridge out of the marker first. Then drop the cartridge into the bottle and close the bottle. Now shake it. You can shake it in whatever way you want. We want that ink out of that cartridge.
A few moments later.
I think it's almost done now. It's time for some real fun. It's best to do it in dark areas, so I shifted my bottle to a dark room. Let's open the cap and introduce a matchstick to it and watch the fun. The bottle is shrinking. Did you just see that? Your marker turned into a bomb. Crazy, right? Let's see it again in slow motion. Just like it's that. I recommend not to try this at home. It's very dangerous, so don't try this at home. I can still feel the heat. Look at the bottle, it's deformed. Let's reinsert the cartridge and see if the marker works or not. Yeah, it works. It's working again. Now it's time to know the reason. It's not a rocket science, it's very simple. Along with the ink, the marker contains alcohol. It's written recap after use on the marker because alcohol evaporates very easily. You need to recap your marker in order to have a long life. So be careful while handling your marker from now. I hope you like this video. Meet you next week with a brand new video. Until then, keep exploring infinity.